Now that you have an overview of how a court case is handled, let's take a closer look at each of the steps. Maureen has decided to visit her county's Family Court Resource Center. If she couldn't get to the center, she could also find a lot of information on the court's website. Let's watch and see what happens at the Resource Center.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I was wondering, do you happen to have any information in regards to modifying child custody?
We have a custody modification packet. There's a small fee, or you can download it for free at home. It includes the forms you will need with instructions on how to fill them out. When you've finished the forms, you will need to return the completed packet to the court with a filing fee. You can work on it here in the center or take it home to fill out.
I don't have much money, and I'm not sure that I'll be able to afford the fee.
All right, well, if you don't think that you can afford it, you can file a request for a fee waiver. Here's the form you'll need to do that. It will be up to the judge to decide whether to grant your request or not.
Oh, okay. Thanks. If I have any questions while I'm filling out the form, may I come ask those of you?
I can help you to understand what the court is asking and explain court procedures, but I can't tell you what to fill in on the form because I can't give you legal advice.
The custody modification packet is designed to help people through the process, and many people find that it is enough to enable them to handle their case on their own. However, if you are having trouble, you may want to talk with a lawyer. Even if you start out without a lawyer, you can always change your mind and consult one at any time before your court hearing. Now back to Maureen.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I took this form home with me to finish filling out, and I gathered all the information, so I'm ready to file my custody modification papers.
Now that you have completed the forms, the respondent will have to be served. That means be given or sent the papers. If you have his address, the court will handle that for you. The respondent will then have 20 days to file his answer, and you will have to attend a parent education class and file a certificate of completion. After that, the case will be scheduled for mediation. If you and the respondent don't reach an agreement at mediation, the court will schedule a hearing before a judge.
Okay, well, thank you very much for all your help.